Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, the Bhagavad-gita ends, Sarvadharman Parityajya Mamekam Sharanam Bhaja. And Bhagavad begins from that point. Therefore, Bhagavad-gita is the preliminary study of Srimad Bhagavad. Bhagavad begins, Dharma Projita Koitava Atra. Now in this Srimad Bhagavatam, all cheating type of religions are rejected. Projita. So there is link. Real religion means to love God. That is real religion. Therefore Bhagavad says, Savai Vamsam Parvo Dharma, Jato Bhakti Radho Khaji. That is first class religion. It doesn't mean that you follow this religion or that religion. You may follow any religion, it doesn't matter. Either Hindu religion or Christian religion or Mohammedan religion, anything is that. But we have to test, just like a student who has passed any examination. Nobody inquires from which college you have passed your examination. You have passed any examination, that's all. Then we are concerned whether you are graduate, postgraduate, that's all. Nobody inquires from which college, from which country, from which religion you have passed your examination. No. Similarly, nobody should inquire to which religion you belong. One must see whether he has learned this art, how to love God. That's all. Then is it. Because here is the religion. Sarvadharman Parityajya Mamekam Sharanam Bhaja. This is religion. Bhagavad says, Dharma Projita Koitava Atra, all not cheating type of religion, is kicked out from this Bhagavatam. Only Nirmasana. Nirmasana, those who are not envious of God. Why shall I love God? Why shall I worship God? Why shall I accept God? They are all demons. For them only Srimad Bhagavatam. For them, those who are actually serious to love. Jinatma samprasidati. So, real success of life is that when you learn how to love God, then your heart will be satisfied. Jangalabdha chaparang labang mannatenadikam tata. If you get Krishna or God, Krishna means God. If you have got another name of God, that is also accepted. But God, the Supreme Lord, the Supreme Person, when you have got this, because we are loving somebody, the loving propensity is there in everyone. But it is misdirected. Therefore, Krishna says, kick out all these loving objects. Try to love me. Sarvadharman Parityajya Mamekam. In this way, your loving will never be able to satisfy you. Jinatma samprasidat. If you want real satisfaction, then you must love Krishna or God. That is the whole philosophy, Vedic philosophy. Any philosophy you take. Because after all you want satisfaction of yourself, full satisfaction of your mind. That can be only achieved when you love God. That religion is first class, which teaches, which trains the candidate how to love God. That is first class. And that love now is the motive. Just like here in this material world, I love you, love me. The background is some motive. Ahituki, apratita, ahituki, no motive. Andavilasita sunnam. All other desires making zero. Zero. That will be taught in the Bhagavad-gita.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.